Hello, everyone. Today, what I'm going to talk about is how to use Wix, which a lot of people do know, but for those of you who don't, I'll be going through it today. This is a site that I actually started already, and I'm 5 out of 7 completed for the steps. And if I go to, like, you sign up, you go through the prompts and I can connect a custom domain. So I can enter the web address that I want for my site, and it can be a domain I want to buy or one I already own. So I'm going to skip that step since I mainly use WordPress. And I can also get found by customers on Google, which I do already. So I won't worry so much about that either. But let's say I go to, there's a whole bunch of things here you can do. This is an e-commerce site, which is popular amongst many people and things that they want to do. And so if I go to edit site, okay, so I'll show some simple instructions on how you can do that. And it works a little bit similar to WordPress if you're familiar with WordPress, since WordPress does power 40% of the internet. Um, but this one I did on books, okay? And so you can see what I've done here, okay? All right. And I added one of my books as a product there. Okay. And then I have a video that I included from YouTube. And then a contact information there. And just a general direction page, and then just my email for contact. And I'd actually done this last year. So see if I wanted to do something like edit the copyright information, I can just double click on it and fix that there. Okay. Say if I wanted to do things like if I wanted, these are the different things I have on here. Read it forward, like if I like that picture, like if I wanted to add another product here, in case loading settings, I just got to double click on it. And then products, uh all products, like if I wanted to add something, so manage categories, like if I click on that. It's just loading. Okay, so I can add a product there. And okay, so say add products by this category. Okay, hold on. I have to upload it first. Um okay, add products. Okay, let's see. I want to delete the category. I want to add something to it. Um okay, so say I want to add category to site. Okay. So say I go ebooks or something like that, and then category image. Okay. And they also have images that you can use, but I'll use that one there. And then add to page. And then just click on add category to the site, saving and go to editor. Okay, so create a new page for the category. So I'm going to say add this category to existing page. Okay. Okay. All right. Now let's see where it went. Okay. Let's see if that was successful. Okay, I also have a service on there. Okay, I don't see how that worked, but uh you can also do quick edits. So let me manage products here again. Give it another try. Because what I need to do is upload. Okay, good. This is better. Okay. This is a new product. Okay. It's a digital product. Okay. Upload file. Okay. So what I'm uploading is an image. And, okay, upload media. Okay. Upload from computer. Okay. So I'm going to choose one of these books that I just did recently and upload the cover. Okay, let's just to show you, give you an example of how to do it. Okay, it's uploading now. Okay, it's there. Now I can add that product. Okay, so now I can add that product. It's in the category of all products. And then of course click save. Oh, I have to add more information. So how to talk s- how to talk Spanish. Okay. Vida loca means crazy life in Spanish. Pricing, okay, so I'll make that $3.99. Profit, okay, so I'm gonna make that $3.99. Okay. And it's in stock. Okay, now I'll press save. Okay. Okay, great. And as I see there, it's been added. Okay, so now I just want to X out of that. And we'll see that it's been added to the front page here. Okay. Okay, I don't know why the image didn't really come out clear there, but at least it's been added. Okay, so that's something that with all of these things online, you can tinker with until it's exactly how you want it to be. It's possible maybe the dimensions weren't correct or something like that. But this is an example of how you can, create quite, like say, for example, even this video, right? Like if I wanted to change it, I can change the video. If I want to change this picture, I can change the picture. So here you can correct all of these different tabs here at the top. Okay, you can even change the order of them if you want to, but there usually tends to be a specific order. Okay, so this is like the welcome page. So there's a lot of other things about you could add sections, you can have pages and menu, you can change the site design as well if I wanted to. Okay, so I can customize the site theme. Like I chose eclectic, but say if I choose dynamic, okay, so now that's how it looks now with dynamic, right? Or even technical, okay, that's how it looks now with technical, okay, or energetic, okay, that's what it looks like now with energetic, or nostalgic, that's what it looks like now with nostalgic, or I can choose contemporary. Okay, that's quite nice, definitely. Okay, I can add apps if I choose to. I can add apps to the site. There's a number of free ones you can add, like a currency converter. Um, Free plan is available for the online store, which I'm using. I can add PayPal buttons. Um, and they have some that are trending now. Easy ship, free plan. You can get a 30-day trial on Ocean apps and these different things. Actually, Wix is having a sale right now, where you can get 50% off the business plan. And then here, my business. Okay, so So you can manage your business with email marketing if you choose, or Facebook shop, Instagram ads, eBay shop, coupons, back in stock requests. And then with media, you can do things like photo, video. There's some free Wix images, some free Wix videos, Shutterstock images, Shutterstock videos, content manager. You can add these things to your site, content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, collect info from site visitors, and then marketing and SEO. So it's things like Google Ads and Facebook ads, email marketing, SEO, social media marketing, and marketing integrations. Okay, so that's it's pretty easy to set up a Wix site. If I'm to give, and then all you have to do when you've made your changes is press publish if you choose, okay? And then you can view your site there. So no harm in me necessarily pressing publish, because I don't really tend to really promote this site, but they're finally press publish on it. And it's free as long as you keep within its data storage and don't go over the data storage for the free site on Wix. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.